Guys, what are we cooking in the kitchen today? What is lovely juicing up in this pot, guys? It's beef stew. If you want to know how we put all this lovely yummy beef stew together, you need to keep on watching. In the meantime, let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all today? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, we've got you beef stew. We're cooking beef stew European style, and we've got all of our ingredients right here. And also I will put all of these ingredients in the description section below. We don't want to name each and every one of them out, and that will take lots of time. Okay, so first I'm going to add some salt on the beef. As you can see, the beef is all nicely cleaned. And then I'm going to put some plain flour on the beef. Nicely hot, and the beef is ready for frying. On both sides, we are coming to take them out. Now we're going to add our diced onions in. Nicely, we're going to go on and add some chilies. This one's optional, you don't have to add it. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper, the seasoning. Then we give it all a stir again. And leave it all to fry for another minute or two. Right, so it's been 2 minutes and that onion and everything else has fried nicely. So we're going to go on and add our tomato paste. Then we give it a stir. Worry about the bottom of the pan. It gives the cooking a very nice taste. So now we're going to go on and add our onion gravy in. You can add any other stock in or alcohol if you want, but I don't drink, so that's why I'm adding onion gravy. Salt, then we add the meat back in, and then we're going to leave this to cook for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Okay, so guys, this beef stew has been cooking for over 45 minutes, and oh my god, the beef looks so tender. It is nicely cooked, and at this point we're going to go on and add our potatoes in. Then we'll add our carrots in, and we will add our celeries in, and mushrooms. And to top it, we'll add some garden peas in. You can add any vegetable of your choice in your beef stew, but make sure you add potatoes and carrots, because beef stew doesn't go without potatoes and carrots. It gives it a very nice, lovely taste. So we're going to mix all of these together, and then I'm going to add 2 bay leaves in, and I'm also going to add some thyme. Then I'll mix it all well. And then I'm going to reduce the gas down a little bit and put a lid on and let it all cooked until it's thoroughly done. Okay? So guys, our stew has been cooking here for a very long time now, and everything has cooked perfectly. That's what we want our beef stew to look like. There you have it, and I love it with lots of juice because I like to dip anything in that I'm eating it with. Okay, so there you have it. We're gonna leave it for a couple of minutes to simmer. Turn the gas totally off, and then we will dish out. All right. Okay guys, this thing is still hot, so we're going to dish out. Nice and hot. So guys, there is one juicy beef stew in the kitchen that we prepare for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching it while we make it for you. If you do, click the like, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, we love you all. Thank you all so much for supporting Fatim Ali's channel. We wouldn't have done all of this without your support. We see you again soon, and you're all invited to come and enjoy this lovely beef stew with us that we're having with some baguette bread here. You can have it with mashed potato, you can have it with rice, you can even have it just like that. It's very nice, and it's all doable. Okay, so in the meantime, we see you all again so soon. Goodbye.